I've just found an amazing AI digital product idea that is currently making people more than $10,000 every single month. And some of them have barely been doing it for a year and are still making those kinds of profits, which means now is an excellent time to jump in on this opportunity. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a specific type of AI-generated digital product that is not only in high demand, but is also an unsaturated niche on Etsy. You can see this seller is making $10,630 every single month, and this seller is making $16,145 every month. And they are both using AI to create their products like I'm going to show you how to do. Selling digital products on Etsy is one of the most lucrative opportunities out there right now. In recent years, Etsy has transformed from a small marketplace for handmade crafts to a powerhouse platform for digital products. The reason so many entrepreneurs like yourself are turning to digital products as a way to make money is how simple it is. You don't have to deal with physical products or inventory, and you only have to create the products once, and then they can continue to sell over and over, making you passive income. According to Etsy's latest reports, digital products are one of the fastest growing categories on the platform, and for good reason. Today I'll show you a product that is currently unsaturated on Etsy that new sellers are making $10,000 per month and beyond selling. The product is digital mockups. What are mockups? Mockups are photos of blank products such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, and mugs. People purchase these photos and put their artwork onto the blank product to showcase their design to customers. Who uses these mockups? Print-on-demand sellers. Print-on-demand has become a very popular side hustle, one which I cover in other videos, and because print-on-demand products have become so popular, people selling these products need more mockups than ever to showcase their products to potential buyers and will pay good money for unique images that they can use. For the side hustle I'm talking about today, you don't need to sell print-on-demand products yourself, you'll just be making the mockups for print-on-demand sellers to use for their designs. The opportunity here is immense because while print-on-demand products themselves are popular, the market for digital mockups remains relatively unsaturated, offering a golden opportunity for new sellers to tap into this profitable niche. And I'll show you how you can create dozens of these mockups instantly with the help of AI. Let's take a look at a successful example. Check out this shop on Etsy. This shop was opened just over a year ago and is already making over $10,000 per month in revenue. You can verify this using an Etsy research tool called Allura, which shows detailed revenue estimates for Etsy shops. If you want to verify these numbers for yourself, I'll put a link in the description for you to sign up for a free Allura account. What's fascinating about this shop is that it sells digital mockups specifically designed for print-on-demand sellers, and the shop's description mentions the use of artificial intelligence to create these designs, which is exactly what makes their business model so scalable and profitable. So how can you replicate this success? The first step is to understand how to create these digital mockups yourself. For this, you'll need to use an AI image generating software. While there are many AI software options out there, not all are created equal. Popular image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva, and Firefly are great, but they come with limitations. These tools can only generate a few images at a time, often take a while to process, and the results can be hit or miss, requiring multiple attempts to get it right. This can be frustrating and time-consuming, especially if you're trying to create a large number of mockups quickly. That's why I'm recommending that you use this image generator instead, Picasso. I'm not sponsored by Freepik, I just really like this tool. I stumbled upon Picasso recently, and it has been a game changer for me. I was honestly shocked with how effective it is at creating dozens of AI images so quickly. Picasso is not only faster, but also more reliable than other image generators that I've tried. With Picasso, you can create high-quality mockups in just a few seconds, and the best part is that it keeps generating images as you scroll, giving you an almost endless supply of options. Here's how it works. Once you've signed up for a Freepik account and upgraded to the premium version, you're ready to start creating. The premium account allows you to generate up to 18,000 images per month, which is more than enough to keep your Etsy shop stocked with fresh mockups. To create a mockup, you simply enter a prompt describing the type of product and scene you want. For example, if you're creating a mockup for a t-shirt, you might enter a prompt like mockup of a Bella Canvas 3001 black t-shirt on a smiling female model with a studio background and natural lighting. Here you'll select the mode. If you want to generate them the quickest, select Classic Fast, but you can also select Flux Fast, and this will still generate very quickly, and it says it combines speed with high quality. I'm going to select Classic Fast for the demonstration here to show you just how quickly it can generate images. You'll need to select what ratio you want the image to be. Here I'll select 3:2 standard, and then click Create. Picasso will then generate multiple images based on your prompt. You can see that as I scroll, it just continues to generate more and more images based on the prompt. Now you'll see that sometimes you'll want to alter your prompt a bit. Like for this prompt, it keeps trying to literally print the number 3001 on the t-shirt. So I can just take out the number and have it generate a plain black t-shirt for me. And I'll just make sure that the images it generates for me are t-shirts that look just like the Bella Canvas 3001. The images are generated almost instantly, and you can scroll through them to find the ones that best suit your needs. Once you find an image you like, you can click on it, then up at the top, click Export, and to get the highest quality image, click Upscale and Download, and this will download a high-resolution file for you. The ease and speed with which Picasso generates these images is just incredible, and it will make it easy for you to create these digital mockups at scale. And because the images are generated using AI, they're unique, which means you won't have to worry about copyright issues or your mockups looking too similar to others on the market. Next, let's talk about what kinds of images you should be generating. The key to success with digital mockups is to create products that are in demand. To do this, you need to research what types of mockups are popular among print-on-demand sellers. A good starting point is to look at other successful Etsy shops that sell digital mockups and see what kind of products they're offering. To do this, you can go to Etsy's website itself and type in print-on-demand mockups. From there, you can just scroll to see what different shops are selling. And then you can, for example, click on this listing, which is advertising a whole shop mockup bundle. And when you scroll down to the description of the listing and click learn more about this item, you can see listed here are all the different types of products they have mockups for. The Gildan 18,000, Bella Canvas 3001, mug mockups, tote bag mockups, Gildan 64,000, Bella Canvas 6004, apron mockups, etc. Now we know that the Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt and the Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt are two of the most popular items in the print-on-demand market, so you'll definitely want to create mockups for these products. And there are plenty of other types of print-on-demand products that you can create mockups for as well, and I encourage you to continue searching other sellers' shops on Etsy to know what other mockups they are selling for what kinds of products. Then, using Picasso, you can easily generate images of models wearing these t-shirts and sweatshirts and holding mugs and tote bags. You can also vary the prompts to change the background, the look of the model, or the overall style of the image. This allows you to create a diverse range of mockups that will appeal to different types of buyers. Another tip is to create seasonal or holiday-themed mockups, as these tend to sell well during specific times of the year. For example, you could create Christmas-themed mockups to put up in October to get ready for the holidays, or Valentine's Day-themed mockups in January to get ready for Valentine's Day. That way you're staying ahead of the trends and have fresh new mockups that people will come to purchase from you year-round. Once you've created your mockups, you'll need to set up your Etsy shop. You can create single image listings for individual mockups, but I also highly recommend creating bundle listings as well. Bundles are those collections of multiple images that are sold together at a higher price. For example, you could create a bundle that includes all of your t-shirt mockups for the Bella Canvas 3001, and a bundle containing all of your mug mockups, and a bundle containing all of your tote bag mockups. Bundles are popular with buyers because they offer more value and they can help you increase your average order value, which in turn boosts your overall revenue. If I search here on Etsy for print-on-demand mockup bundle, what I can see come up is that people are selling bundles of 4,000 mockups, 1,300 mockups, 2,000 mockups, and you might be thinking, wow, that's a lot of mockups. But remember how quickly we were able to generate those using AI? And you can create up to 18,000 images per month with Picasso, so you could easily populate your entire Etsy shop in just 1 month if you sit down and get organized and create all the different mockups you need. Now, when you create your Etsy listings, you will want to create a PDF document that your customers will download that will have a link to a Google Drive folder that contains all of the mockups they order from you. You can create this PDF easily for free on Canva. Just create a PDF file and write something like, "Thank you for your purchase." You can download your files using the link below, and then paste in the link to your Google Drive folder, which under the settings for the folder should be set to anyone with the link can view and download. In addition to creating high-quality mockups and well-organized listings, the last and possibly most important step to ensure your Etsy shop does well is to do keyword research. Keyword research is essential because it helps you understand what potential buyers are searching for, allowing you to optimize your listings to appear in Etsy's search results. Simply posting listings and hoping for the best isn't enough. You need to be strategic about the keywords you use in your listing titles, descriptions, and tags. The tool that I highly recommend using for Etsy research is Sales Samurai. Sales Samurai is an Etsy-specific keyword research tool that provides valuable insights into what keywords are trending, how competitive they are, and how much traffic they're generating. You can get a free account with Sales Samurai by clicking the link in the description of this video. Once you've set up your free account, one way that I recommend knowing which keywords you should be using for your listings is to come over to Etsy and find the listings that are showing up at the top of search results, copy the link to the listing, and then come over to Sales Samurai, click on Single Listing, and paste in the URL for the listing that you found. Then when you scroll down, Sales Samurai will show you the different keywords that this product is relevant for and what their search volume is. Then you'll want to use those keywords in your title, description, and tags of your own Etsy listings. This will help your listings appear when buyers search for those keywords, driving more traffic to your shop and increasing your chances of making sales. And there you have it. I've just shown you how you can make over $10,000 per month using AI to easily create product mockups for you to sell on Etsy. By following these steps, you can build a successful digital product business that generates a steady stream of income for you long term. The best part is that this business model is scalable, meaning you can continue to add more and more listings to your shop and update your digital mockups based on the latest trends so you can grow your business and increase your revenue over time. Now, if you're interested in learning about another digital product category that is unsaturated on Etsy and how you can start creating and selling those digital products yourself, click to watch that video, and I'll see you in the next video.